Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video we will discuss if you can change your age in Epic Games. So let's start. First of all, open any browser. Then after, search for Epic Games and go to the official website. After you open the website, log into your account. Select the login method of your account. After you log into your account, when you go to this profile like icon, you will find this account option. Click on it. Then you will reach the settings page. In account settings, you can change your name, email address and other details. However, there is no option to change your age or birth date. If you are a parent or guardian, then you can set the access to the account by going to parental controls and then after entering a PIN. After you enter a random PIN, click on create PIN. Then after, you will access the parental controls page. Inside of it, you can select the age range that you want to keep based on the person using the account. In this way, you can set the parental control settings. However, there is no option to change the actual age and edit it. The only way by which you can select your age or birth date is when you create your account. After you create an account, you cannot change the age or date of birth. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.